Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm going to show you that in Microsoft Excel how can you add a mobile number with plus prefix. So generally, as we know, if you are providing mobile number, you are providing a country code, and country code start with, let's say for India it's plus 91, right? And for, let's say, UAE it is plus 971, for US it is plus 1. But as you can see in this column of contact number, if I'm providing those plus sign, it is not taking. Let's say if I am, as an example, I want to provide for candidate A phone number of UAE, which starts from plus 971 and then a number 58749634. So as you can see, this is a, let's say, UAE number, and as you can see I am providing it after hitting an enter button. You can see I am not getting that plus sign. Let's say the candidate B is from India and the mobile number for him is plus 91 and then 10 digit numbers, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. As you can see, again it is not giving me that option of getting plus 91, and it is giving me some random some number in exponential, or you can say scientific form. So how to get mobile number with country code, let's see that. So what you have to do, you have to, after selecting a cell, any cell, click on this journal option and then you go down, click on this more number formats. You can also directly click on this option, which is number format option. Click on that icon also, it will take you to this format cell window. Now go to custom, and in the custom, as you can see, you can provide your custom things for this Excel file. So you have to generate a one new custom code for contact number. So how we can do, let's say you can click on any of this. Let's say I'm clicking on this 0. Okay, now go to this type and over here just write plus, right? And if you click on OK, what you will see, you will see that now this become plus over here, because we are providing only one symbol, which is plus right now. Again go to more number formats and you can see this 0 is already there, but you now developed one code which is with plus sign. So now it will give me plus sign, but I also want a number which I am providing. So what you can do, go to again this type and just write 0 over here. So as you can see over in the sample, you can see now plus sign is coming with the number. So 0 means the number that you are providing. Click on OK. So you can see the number is coming over here. Now just do this formatting option and click for all the cells which you want, and now as you can see this is coming as a number with the country code. So in this way you can provide mobile number with country code for all the candidates in Microsoft Excel. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.